What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. All right, now we're going crazy with the colors because it's summertime, and I see y'all popping out with the colors, so I had to add it to my channel. So thank you, Love Me Hair, for giving us this wig. So let's see. All right, so we have a curly lace front wig. So has the combs and the drawstring so you can adjust it, and this lace goes back really far and is really wide, so we can do basically any style we want. Braids, half up, half down, you know, deep side parts, whatever. And I went ahead and plucked and bleached the hairline. Now with this company, the hairline comes already pre-plucked, but y'all know I be having to add my little, so I be having to pluck and bleach a little bit myself too, just to, you know, give it that touch. So yeah, so I'm doing like 2 patches, you know, one on each side. I'm doing platinum patches, so like when the hair just lifts up, it kind of just all right, let's get into it. Enough talking. All right, so we're in the kitchen now, so I'm gonna show you what I'm using to do the platinum patches. I just have this bleach. This is, I normally get BW2, but this is Basic White by Clairol. I am also using the 40 volume by Clairol as well. This is my favorite brand of developer because it always just lifts good, you know? When I use other brands, it don't be lifting the same, you know? I don't know. It don't be lifting the same to me. So I just go with Clairol. Clairol is like my go-to. Also, now I know my friend. I know she likes her hair to be a certain way. And when I used to do her hair like back in the day, she used to always dye her hair like her Virgin Bundles jet black, because she used to tell me she don't like how like the 1B kind of looks on her. So we're doing jet black on her. So another color by Clairol. This is the 1A, and I believe this, okay, this is cool black. So this will have like a cool like bluish undertone, so it really gets black, like blackety black. And we're using a 10 volume developer to mix in with the dye. All right, you guys, so this has been processing for like 30-40 minutes. I mean, it's not necessary, but I had to go get something to eat. Right now, the blonde looks really good. All I'm gonna do now is tone it with the Shimmer Light shampoo. But I'm gonna be really careful not to let, you know, this black dye run in the blonde hair while I'm rinsing it out. So I have to be really careful or it's gonna turn like gray. And I don't want that. So let's be really careful. I'm gonna rinse it out, shampoo it all, and then condition it. And I'm gonna show you guys the finished product in a minute. All right, I've been dyeing hair all day. Had to take a food break, had to take a TV break. I had to just get out the house. But I'm finally done, okay? This process took a minute, not gonna lie. But it wasn't, you know what? It was a lot of labor. It was a lot of labor and it was a lot of sitting and just waiting for the color to process. And I even had to be like super careful washing it out because I don't want to get the black dye to run on the blonde hair and turn it, you know, gray or, you know, because I've done that before and I learned the hard way plenty times, okay? So this color is a tedious process, but if you take your time and, you know, you don't mix any colors and you wash it out right, then it should come out looking clean and looking perfect. So this blonde only took 2 processes and I did my shampoo with the Shimmer Lights. And the Shimmer Lights, you know, it does its job, you know. It's not totally platinum, but that's just because I done lipped it for like the 3rd time. But I don't feel like doing that. So this is the final result. Let's go ahead and put this on our model and see how this looks dried and styled. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.